Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is about the street market of Bangladesh. The street market of Bangladesh is a very common and lively place, and it plays an important role in the daily life of the people. These markets are found in almost every city, town, and village, usually beside busy roads or in open areas. In a street market, people can buy fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, spices, clothes, shoes, toys, and many other daily necessary items at a low price. The sellers sit in small shops or on the roadside and loudly invite customers, which makes the market full of noise and energy. Buyers often bargain with the sellers, and this makes shopping more interesting and friendly. The street market is also a place where people meet, talk, and share news with each other. It helps many poor and hardworking people earn money to support their families. The colorful products, fresh food smell, and busy movement create a unique environment that shows the true culture of Bangladesh. However, street markets sometimes cause traffic jams, noise, and cleanliness problems. Even with these problems, the street market of Bangladesh is loved by the people because it is affordable, lively, and closely connected to their everyday life. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Bye bye for today.